In this video, I will be showing you how to use Google Drive. Once you have logged into Google Drive, you will be shown to a page similar to this. You will have quick access, folders, and files. I have already set up a folder for EDCI 270. If I double click on it, you'll see a subfolder with links to About Animals and then my homework assignments under Files. If you are interested in creating a new file, go up to this top left button and click New. You'll then be able to choose between Folder, File Upload, Folder Upload, Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. There are more options, but these are the main priorities. I will be using Google Docs, so I will click on it once, and up pops a new Google Doc. To save this doc, go up to the top left where it says Untitled Document and create a tile. Now that it has some body and a title, it is automatically saved and you are good to go. To share, go up to the top right button where this says is blue and it says share, and type in the name that you would like, the address that you would like to share with. Then you can add multiple people and you can even add a note. If you would only like them to comment or view, you can specify that on the right. Hit send to send the document to your friend. Now, if you would like to save your document or folder in a new folder, you can come up here, click Folder under New, title it, and it has been created. To add your new file to your new folder, double-click to open it. And under the File option, click Move To, find your folder, and click Move Here. This has now been moved. To be able to confirm that it has been moved, go back to My Drive, open your folder, and there is your document.